Welcome to Toys and RC. In today's video, we're taking a look at the DEERC 9309E RC car with a full unboxing, speed test, and some awesome off-road fun. Before we start, I want to thank DEERC for sending us this model for review. DEERC is a well-known brand in the RC hobby world, especially among those looking for great performance and excellent value for money. The company is part of the EE Group, which has many years of experience in producing high-quality RC vehicles and toys. A cool fact about DEERC is that they offer models suitable for both beginners and experienced enthusiasts, with features like dual batteries, independent four-wheel suspension, and proportional speed control, making the driving experience much more realistic. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more RC reviews and adventures. Today, I'm going to show you the DEERC 9309E, a 1:16 scale off-road remote control car. Before opening it, you can already see that the box stands out. It showcases the car and its main features: a top speed of up to 40 km per hour, four-wheel drive, a full metal system, and 2 batteries for about 40 minutes of fun. It also comes with oil-filled suspension, a front LED light, and IPX4 water protection. The packaging gives a solid sense of quality. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. Inside the box, along with the car and accessories, you'll find the manual. It's well illustrated and explains how to assemble the car, charge the batteries, and operate the remote control. It also includes maintenance and safety tips, making it much easier for beginners. It's a handy guide to help you get the most out of the car right from the start. Nothing better than getting a little extra help from my curious cat. Everything is neatly packed in the box to prevent any damage, and the DEERC 9309E 1:16 comes ready to impress. Inside, you'll find the RC car, the remote control, 2 1500 mAh batteries, the manual, some essential accessories, and a few spare screws. When the battery is charging, a light keeps flashing. Once the battery is fully charged, the light stops flashing, indicating that it's ready to use. The controller is simple and intuitive to use, perfect for both beginners and experienced RC enthusiasts. It operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency, ensuring precise control and zero interference even when other RC cars are nearby. All buttons and joysticks are well positioned, allowing you to accelerate, brake, turn, and maneuver the car with ease. In addition, it features a speed switch that lets you toggle between slower and faster modes, adjusting the car's performance to your needs. The controller runs on AA batteries, which are easy to replace, so you're always ready for fun. It's a sturdy RC car, built to withstand impacts and handle all kinds of terrain with ease, from sand and mud to gravel and grass. It features oil-filled shock absorbers that help absorb impacts and ensure a more stable ride, even on uneven surfaces or during jumps and extreme maneuvers. Now let's insert the battery into the car and turn it on. Simply fit the battery in place, close the compartment, and switch the car on. The car comes with white lights at the front and blue lights underneath, creating a modern visual effect that enhances its monster truck style during maneuvers and accelerations. Now that the batteries are fully charged, it's time to take the car outside and put it to the test. Get your popcorn ready. The fun and action are about to start. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.